a present.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layer V. In today's video, we're going to be doing a haul video. I got a couple of items from the Zak Salaam's Mega India Expo Sale. So I just want to share with you what I have bought. Well, as I received a package and I just want to unbox in front of you. So if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. While you're here, may I just do a introduction of myself. My name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a YouTuber and blogger. I usually post content about beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, lifestyle tips and productivity tools to achieving the girl boss lives of our dreams. And if you're watching this video and if you take time to click on this video, may I suggest that perhaps hit the subscribe button right down this video. There'll be a red rectangular button that says subscribe. Make sure to click on the bell next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays at local 6 p.m. time. So if you want to know what are the products that I got from the Zak Salaam Indian Expo Sale, then please keep on watching. The top thing on my mind is when it comes to Zak Salaam India Expo Sale, I just go through Instagram and Pinterest and I just try to tag a lot of pictures, as many as possible, of the outfits that I typically would want to buy. I go to a stall or a booth and I can show them what I want and they can tell me whether they have it or not, and then perhaps let them show me the pieces that might be of interest or close or match what I have in mind. So that's one of the ways you can actually cut a lot of time when you're in this kind of mega expo sale, because there are a lot of booths to cover. So I definitely wanted to get a couple of oxidized jewelry. So when I stumbled across this particular booth that had this silver oxidized brace, what is this called, bangles, I absolutely fell in love. I love how the detailing is like, and it's really pretty, and this whole set was $10. I wish it could be any lesser, so I just took it as it is. Silver jewelry is really on trend right now, and if you're not someone who loves silver jewelry, I feel like silver jewelry is really easy to wear it with casual wear, and you guys already know how my style is. I'm typically someone who goes for casual wear, but I really have been trying to step out of my comfort zone and try a little bit more experimental pieces like this one. From the same booth, I had my eyes on this particular, I don't know what exactly they're called. They're necklace, but they look like this neck piece, necklace, however you want to call it. So they have this kind of pattern going on. Let me give you a closer look. So they have this mirror effect. Do you see how gorgeous it is? And I think this will look really nice, and especially I love wearing a lot of black, white and grays, if you can't tell already. So if I have a very plain top and I want to make it look a little Indian, I could definitely go ahead and style this around my neck. I think this will look really nice with a black outfit, black top maybe. Accessories are a great way to style a very casual looking, otherwise plain outfit. Look really nice and boho, perfect for summer. So this was also $10. I was also in search of footwear because I have been sticking to one particular type of footwear for a very long time, and I have been getting a lot of requests on Instagram to change my footwear. It's just that I have really large feet. I'm a very tall person, so my feet is equally big as my frame, and my toes are quite wide and not all shoes kind of fit me. That's one of the reasons why I don't quite like wearing heels, and I just wanted something that really align with my casual style. So I stumbled across this particular booth that had, I don't know what they're called, jutis. The owners of this booth are from New Delhi and they had this style. So when I asked them if they have anything for my size, this is size 42 and it fits really nice, very snug on the first day when I tried it on. And the people were saying from the booth was that it kind of expands as you wear more, and I can vouch for that. I've already worn this like twice already, and I feel like it kind of molds into the shape of my feet. That's really weird to say. Size 42, and this was for $10. From the same booth, I also got another pair because why not, right? I got this pair. It's really nice and pretty. I like how the color looks like, and I think this will look really nice with Indian ethnic wear, and you guys already know that I have been trying and loving wearing Indian ethnic wear that's really of a very casual style. If you're not following me on Instagram already, what are you waiting for? So you can get a rough gist of how my casual style is like. I have been trying to incorporate a lot more Indian ethnic pieces into my wardrobe and my style, and yeah, I feel like this would be a perfect fit, and this actually goes across my ankle and fit in here. And this is also size 42 if I'm not wrong, and like they said, this will actually give a lot more comfort and structure to my feet as I wear them more often. I was also looking for a couple of ethnic tops that doesn't look too lazy looking, like how you guys actually describe me on Instagram, lazy looking. Well, I was going for casual, but I don't blame you guys. I'm sorry if you hear some external background noises. It's because my girl is in the same room as I am, and it's really hot in Singapore, and we've actually just have the air conditioning running and we're sitting underneath the fan, so it's just a movement. I beg your pardon for that. I was not looking for something that's too simple, which is typically something I would go for. And I came across this particular shop that had this Pakistani inspired frock, but on me it's more like a short kurti top. I can't definitely go out leaving the house with this length on me because I'm really tall. And this is how it actually looks like. You see how beautiful and vibrant it is, and it actually cuts around the bust line, and it has a princess cut that's actually quite nice on my figure, and it looks a lot more brighter on camera, but I can assure you that it's such a nice fit. And this is in the size M, and so one look at this top, I feel like I could not go home without it. And typically my purchases when it comes to outfits are of that type of thought process, and this was for, I want to say $20 for this top. And I feel like this, you can pair it in a lot of ways, different combination. You can pair this top with a salwar that's like very straight fit, and then it has a lot of gathers at the bottom. You can style it that way, or you can also style this kurti top with a patiala pant. The booth that was selling this top also had the patiala pants that I was after. He showed me this patiala pant that has this bright pink and print on it, and it gathers all the way to the feet. That looks like this, and I feel like this is so comfortable. I believe someone wore this in a movie. I think Jab We Met. It's like a pajama pant that she wears on a train, night train, and then she meets this telco businessman, and then you know that movie, I believe it was Kareena Kapoor in that Hindi movie, and the Tamil version was Siddharth and Tamana. I can't quite remember the actual movie name, but you know what I mean. It's so comfortable, and I like that it has a lot of pleats and gathers at the bottom. It kind of has that MC Hammer look going on. I can actually wear this with a white oversized shirt, or I can even wear this with this grey shirt that I have on. Really versatile piece. I hope to get a lot of wear out of it. Alright, the next box that we're going to be unboxing is from Viyaan SG. And this was actually delivered to my doorstep just a couple of days ago, so I'm going to be unboxing. This is how it looks like. I've already run the scissors through the side so that it opens nicely. So once you unbox, you have this large Love It, and where you can find Viyaan on their social media platform, and there's a lot of styrofoam nuggets or peanuts. So I'm unboxing in front of you guys. This is a radiance boosting face serum. So this is the product I have on hand. This is the Viyaan's Elixir of Lumos brightening face radiance boosting face serum that looks like this. And inside it comes with a dropper that has its individual packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a sturdy glass bottle, and it contains about 30 milliliters of its boosting face serum, and you're supposed to cleanse your face and then apply the serum to the entire face and neck. For optimal use, you have to apply it every night, and it comes with its dropper, very nice and sanitarily individually wrapped. The next product that I have in my hands is the Viyaan's Elixir of Lumos brightening face wash that looks like this, and this is 110 milliliters of its product. For optimal results, use morning and night. If you're curious about this product and you would like to see this product in action, like a demo or my review about my thoughts about this product, then leave me a comment down. I must say that they have carefully packed the package just so that none of them come delivered destroyed or like broken. So a lot of thought process has gone into packaging, and they have been very generous with the styrofoam nuggets, peanuts, or however you want to call it, whatever they are. In my hands I have the Elixir of Lumos mask, and this contains Moroccan red clay, argan oil, and rose extract. This is how the product looks like. It comes in a plastic packaging. Once I have opened up the face mask packaging, it does smell really Mediterranean. There is a whiff of rose scent of roses that is emerging from this mask. This is how my typical haul looks like. I hardly go on impulse buys, and I have disciplined myself over the years if I'm going to be saving a few dollars here and there. So that's it guys for today's haul video. I really hope you enjoy watching the haul and along with the unboxing of the Viyaan's Elixir of Lumos products. And if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this with your family and friends via Facebook and WhatsApp. And if you're not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing. Links will be down in the info bar below, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new video uploads like this go up on my channel. And I shall catch you in my next video. Bye guys!